guys, welcome back to my channel. I am literally taking off all of my nails and I shortened them, took out some lifting, and I figured I would bring you along. I'm doing this on my non-dominant hand, or I guess this is my dominant hand. So I started off with Young Nails Protein Bond, and I'm going to take Gelish Foundation, applying this all over the nail. These are pretty bare. I try to take as much off as possible. This one had a lot of pocket lifting. I slammed the buggers out of it maybe a week or two ago, and oh my god, it was so lifted. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit of fixing on the tips because I didn't really like how it ended up filing out. I'd say probably more so on the other ones than my pointer. So you can also do this with that clear gel that we are going to use. I'm going to use the new, to me, this has been out for a while, the BEETLES Clear. I purchased it with my own money, and I loved the pink one so much that I wanted to grab the clear one, but I want to test it out.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us, and we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied.
I am going to try the clear one. And I labeled it on top because I keep them in my drawers. So looking like it has the same consistency. I like to get a thin layer on first. So you saw I took most of it off my brush, and then I can push towards the cuticle without having a ton on my brush, and that will keep it out of the cuticle unless I put it in. I grabbed a bigger bead, wiped off the side, and then I'm letting the gel drip down, placing the bead in the back third, and then taking it down the side. A little bit of a crisis there. Just gonna take a little bit more down that center. Doing that slip, getting that larger bead. I'm letting it run down. Taking a Lincoln Park After Dark, my favorite color for the season. And I'm gonna tell you, I paint ridiculous on my opposite hand, even worse than I do my using my dominant hand. So I'm gonna paint 2 thin layers. And if you noticed, I unloaded the brush before coming back down here to the cuticle area. Otherwise I will get it on my cuticle, and I still might. See what I mean by unloading the brush?
And I'll be running, possessed by a lone, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we're stuck in a la-la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
All right, here is the finished look. A little bit of dust on it. But yeah, these are my little guys that I am going to be wearing this weekend. I wanted them to be carefree and literally just simple, short, and to the point. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.